Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry there was no walking around and stuff. I was planning to, but it was absolutely chucking it down with rain. It was like literally, my whole body was soaked. Let me know which picture you liked. My personal favorite was the relax picture. I like the contrast between the people inside the cafe and the homeless person outside. I thought that was a good sort of little switch of fates there. Yeah, I feel like I'm getting a little bit better at this. Maybe, I don't know. Obviously I'm not the best at it, so still learning, but for me it was an enjoyable experience just going out and being more brave to kind of like take pictures, especially of people when they're doing stuff. It wasn't really as bad as what I thought it was going to be actually. So yeah, really good experience. And sorry about the sound and whatnot, because I'm using the Osmo Pocket right now. I don't have anything else with me, so I have to put in a little video for this. And yeah, if you want to see more, and hopefully next time I'll actually have some like walking around footage, I'll put the Osmo Pocket on top of the camera, so you can actually see everything, what I'm doing. And yeah, we'll do another little photo walk, but a proper one this time. So if you did enjoy today's video, please leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the format that I did. And yeah, maybe leave a comment, subscribe and all that for shares. Peace out.